to show you how to make a pond. And the pond is very beautiful and simple. I'm sure you guys will like it. Let's start. First we will need the bowl. Now pour some water. And now decorations. First I am going to put this little lotus. It has a leaf but it is white. I think it is okay. I will show you guys the inside of the bowl after I finish. Now just take some rocks, colorful rocks I took, and put the rocks under the bowl. Just cut it in circles like this. Okay, I have finished putting all the rocks. Now I'm going to put this grass. Now I have one more flower, so I'm going to put it in. Okay, finished. Now, little fish. Little rock. Put it somewhere around there. Now two of these beautiful white rocks. And some shells. Just put it all over. Now I am going to show you guys the inside. So I think it is beautiful. It is not bad. I like it. I think it is really beautiful. It is really easy and all. So yeah. So I know this was a really short video, so I'm going to also show you one more thing. Look at this rose. The glass, put it like this. Now one and then two and then three. It will disappear. Okay, let's shake it a bit like this. And I'm going to open it. And here it disappeared. Some of you may know what I did. And I also want to show you guys one more thing. See this puzzle? I am going to fix it. And I am going to show you guys these are the answers. and I'm going to do one or two of them. So I want to do, let me choose, what about this goat? Okay guys, I'm going to do this goat. First, this one, is it the goats? I think it is because it's the goat's tail. Next one, is this the goats? No, I don't think this is the goats because it has white and black. Is this the goats? No, it's the tiger. Is this the goat? Yes, it is the goat. Keep it there. Is this the goat? No, it is the rabbits because it's a carrot. Oh, is this the goats? Yes, it is the goats. Is this the goats? No. Is this the goats? No. What about this? Yes, it is the goats, friends. Is this the goats? Yes, it is the goat. What about this? I don't think so. This? No. This? You already showed that. This? Yes, friends. Correct. Isn't this the goats? Let's check. Of course it's the goats. See? Of course. See the eyes? It's the same. And is this the goats? Let me check. So the goat has a son, and it also has a rock and a tree and a bush. Oh, I think it is the goats, friends. Okay, let's put it here. And what about this? Is this the goats? Let's see. Okay. Is it the goats? Yes, friends. Correct. I know you all are very smart. Is this the goats? No. This? Yes. Very good, friends. Is this the goats? No. Is this the goats? No. Is this the goats? Yes, friends. Is this the goats? I don't think so. What about this? No. This? No. This? Yes. Okay, friends, I'll keep it here. Is this the goats? Yes, I think so because it has a butterfly. Oops. Okay, I'll keep it there. Is this the goats? Yes, friends. I didn't know you were this smart. Is this the goats? No. This? No. What about this? Yes. Is this the goats? No. This? No. And this? No. What about this? No. This? Yes. Thank you, friends, for helping me. So now let's finally assemble it in this box. See? Okay, I'll see you when I assemble it in this box. What, friends? You want to see? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll assemble it. I'm going to look at the picture here. Here is the box. First, the goat. Where does this go, friends? Yes, it goes here. Doesn't it? Oh no. Okay, friends, sorry, but I can't show this. But I'll show you after I do it. But I'll still show you when I'm doing it. Okay. What's this here? Okay, I'm going to take this board. Friends, I think I'm doing good. Okay, that's there. And what about I don't get anything like, friends, I can't see something, but okay, friends, I see it now. Yes. That there. You guys can say if it is correct or not. Because I know you guys are all smart. And what about this here? Not this here and this. Okay, friends, I am almost finished. Now I am finished. So here it is. Is it correct? I think it is correct. And I hope you guys also think it is correct. And can I also show you one more thing? Just keep this here. If I close this, close it, the goat is inside. But here, there is the tiger. He's really cute, isn't it? I love it really much. He's so cute, even though he's a tiger. Okay, friends. So that is the end of the video, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And also, friends, I hope you liked the pool, the pond, because it's really pretty. I'll just show you once again. Do you want to see? Oh, you do? Okay, I'll show you. Friends, I think it is really beautiful. I I hope you guys also think it is beautiful. I'm just showing you the inside. So yeah, I hope you like the bowl. And of course, remember to like the video, subscribe and share it to your friends. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a video and you stay right here on time. So yeah, this is the end of the video and I just want to say bye bye and thanks for supporting me. I think a lot of you watch my videos. So yeah, and bye bye. I love you and thanks for helping me fix this puzzle again. Oh no, two of them fall down. Which are these? Okay, thanks for helping me fix the puzzle. Bye bye. See you next time. I love you.